So, good morning, guys. How are you doing? Welcome back to today's session. I hope kila mtu. Nilikuwa naona watu wakiniuliza kwani uingii TikTok? So, we are here now. So, if you're on YouTube, kindly confirm if you can hear me clearly and if you can clearly see this. So, kila mtu aniambie kama unanisikia vizuri on YouTube. Ndio at least tuendelee from hapo. Okay? Then kama uko TikTok, usisahau kutap screen, list tufikia watu wengi. It's on 10th of June and what have you achieved this month? Kama ulikuwa umejitafutia ama kuhit this month, are you halfway? Because unafaa ukuwa almost halfway. So naona Jaska Wasari anasema yes, YouTube iko clear and that's very nice. Okay? Then pia na hope TikTok nasikika vizuri ama niaje. Then I hope kila mtu anaweza ona screen on YouTube and everything is okay. So with that I think we can now sasa mwenye atakuwa na join atatupata mbele ama tunasema aje. So if you see me for the first time, my name is Analyst Kim and mi huwa nachukua and now sasa nikikuja live to trade pamoja, hapo ndio mambo huwa inachemka because nilisema there is no way God ataruhusu mtu amejitolea kutrade na watu ati apoteze hapa hivi. There is no way. Okay, so God will never allow that and that's why we are here today. Let's hope that at least we are going to hit our targets, ikuwe small target, ikuwe target kubwa. Unajua tuko na different accounts but sasa ita depend na zile trades tutapata ama niaje. Then kama uko TikTok na udani follow, always make sure that umeni follow. Najua umengoja hii session sana. Niliwaambia nitakuwa naingia live only once per day. Okay. Ingia kama uko prepared vizuri, I'm sure that you're going to. So that's why every day from 10:30 p.m. live trade. 10:30 a.m. sorry. So usiku maybe tuweke Google Meet session mwanzo mfunzo hizo entry points and stuff, you know. Najua kuna watu wengi hapa hivi wanasumbuliangwa na entry points. Na pia nilikuambia before you join a live trade, hata isikuwe ya Analyst Kim, maybe una join live trade ya mtu mwingine different. Si kuna watu wengi huwa wanafanya live trading. Always make sure that at least umeelewa ile strategy mna live trade nayo. The reason is because ukipewa market for example, nikwambie saa hii ingie 1 second index then uingie over 2 market. Unajua if you don't understand the conditions zenye zimeangaliwa kwa hii market, maybe okay, that is the reason why nakwambianga at least ukiwa na device nyingine unaangalia kama market iko sawa or stuff. Angalia market kama iko sawa, kama hujui kuanalyze, you know, that's why nakwambia the strategy. Okay, and that's why I'll always share my like for example, if you're on YouTube, you can clearly see the PDF that you're using. We're trading the over and under market. I created the PDF so that at least I can share to you guys. Kama unakuanga kwa group yetu, I believe that you already have the PDF and you have a concept on the, you have the knowledge about the strategy that we usually use. Okay, the over and under market. Nilikuambia mimi niko na I'm always proud of a trade that we took on February. It was a challenge. So tulikuwa tuna trade market Simbu kama over 2 under 7, you know, and I pushed that mpaka ikafika because nilikuwa na target ya kununua gari, so I had bought that car. So don't assume over 2 markets under 7 markets. Okay, is going to tell you that these markets and I believe that those people that are joining trading now ama those mentors wenye wanaingia kuwafunza ndio watakwambia hivyo, but when you understand, mwenye anaelewa market vizuri atakwambia the importance of having or maybe okay, so we proceed guys. Someone alikuwa na play music iko juu pale, so I had to tell him apunguze kidogo. Okay, so we can now proceed guys. I hope kila mtu tuko pamoja na watu wa YouTube mnaona screen vizuri. Kama huoni screen vizuri, you can maybe tell me, or maybe it might be your network. Mkuu, ingia TikTok live bado. Kama uko YouTube na ulikuwa umesema tuingie TikTok, we are now on TikTok. Go on TikTok live again. Yeah, nishaingia TikTok. Yeah. If you want to see the screen, you can you can join the YouTube live. Unaenda tu na search Analyst Kim. Are we together? Then kuna Sheriff anasema shida ya kukuwa na mentor wengi unachanganyikiwa. So stick na mmoja. So it will depend. Okay, sio lazima changanyikiwe, but okay, you know, different people have different views on things. Unaona? So unaweza pata mtu, that's why niliwaambia strategies zingine. I think I'm not, maybe kuna mentor fulani atakuchanua more on uko nayo ya over and under. Okay, maybe aku advance ama akupe skill yenye maybe Analyst Kim hajui. Okay, so don't say sticking on a strategy. Okay, I think that is what is important. So leo nataka to execute over under na kila mtu very ready. Okay, because hapo mambo huwa inachemka. And guess what? Just know that we are okay. Don't target very many runs. I usually say that a perfect trade should take only 2 runs. That's why if you're trading a market like over 2, ukitrade market kama over 2, I'll always tell you this: target a maximum of 2 wins. So 75 USD, you'll be sure that the payout something, I think 26.08 if I'm not wrong. 26.08 is the payout. So if you want to target only 2 wins, pale hivi kwa bot unafaa uweke take profit ya 26.08 times 2, which is around 50 something, 52, right? So your take profit should be $50. Now ukitrade market kama under 7/2, kama analyze vizuri, kupata wins 2 consecutively inakuwa very easy. So if you can make 2 consecutive wins, utakuwa umefika target na bot itajistop immediately. That is what happens. Are we together guys? Aya, so it depends na ile account uko nayo. So nimesema 75 USD stake. Nikistake na 30, I'm going to target a take profit of 20 because a payout of more than $10. Now 10, so nikipiga runs 2 nitakuwa nimetoka market. Are we together? So you need to be very smart in these markets, and if the market outsmarts, that's when you end up blowing your account. Okay, and we are not here to blow our accounts. We are here at least to make some positive impact on our accounts. Are we together? Kama uko YouTube, let me show you the website that you're profitup.site. Okay, so ukikuja kwa browser, this is what you're supposed to do. Acha niweke kamera ya TikTok hivyo. Unakuja tu hapo hivyo una search hapa hivi ndio kila mtu aweze kuona. And after this I'm going to log into my Deriv account. List tuone mahali account imefika because we are going to proceed from there. Okay, we hope that today is going to be the best. Yesterday a time like now we took very many trades, and not even most, should I say all the trades, because hakuna trade will lose. Out of almost 10 trades, hakuna trade will lose. How many times have you taken a strategy from your mentor, a very simple strategy like over 1 or over 2, then you will end up getting some losses? So my strategy is one of the best. Okay, that's all I can say. So let me type the website here for those people time. So that is a www.profitup.site. .profitup. Unaandika tu profit then .site hivyo tu, then uandike www pia, then we'll be using the mighty Genesis version 1. Genesis version 1. So inaitwa tu hivyo, iko hapo kwa trading bot section ukishaingia kwa profitup.site. Okay, so that's all you're supposed to do. Na kama kuna mtu akona swali, you can always ask because that is why we are here. Okay, so Someone was saying, can I explain this? There's a very big difference between binary trading. Most people usually say that binary trading doesn't work. Then I'm just like, kwani? But I think that is a story for another day. Okay, we are here to trade today. So that is the website. If you're on YouTube, you can clearly see it. Then we'll be analyzing the market on this side. Then nitakuwa nawekea settings on this other side. So just make sure that you are ready. Na kama uko TikTok na hujanifollow, manze, make sure that umenifollow first of all. Anytime that I'll be going live, utakuwa notified. Mambo itakuwa amazing. So should we get into the first market? So this is not I'm not going to the only thing that I can do, maybe nikiendelea kuanalyze, kama kwa YouTube utakuwa unaona chenye inafanyika, but this one is not a class. If you want to join classes inakuanga on a daily basis. In fact, from around 2 p.m. kunaweza kuwa na class kwa Google Meet. Okay, Google Meet. All you need to do, just make sure that uko kwa group, because hapo ndio huwa tunatuma link ya Google Meet. Are we together? Yeah. I'm very sure that most people here are very older than me. Mi nilianza kutrade nikiwa kijana tu mdogo. You see, kama sahii, hebu mtu wa guess niko na miaka ngapi? And I started trading on December of 2020. But sasa hapo ilikuwa demo trader. Okay? So that time nilikuwa tu na make profits kidogo kwa demo. Because sikuwa na capital. You see? Hata 26 uko juu sana bro. Sijafika huko. Eti 27 years. We! Kwana kama mzee wakuu. Okay, haina pressure. Wacha mwanzo ni login ndio tuanzie hapo. In fact, kama kuna mtu anaona market moja, you can give us 821. Hebu nione kama kuna mtu amesema ya kweli. Maybe someone here. Unaweza anza na 10 USD. You can start. About trading, you can start with any amount. But sasa the problem is, what is your target? Are you trading under pressure? Because utakuja, me I know some vendors here watawambia, you can grow an account from 10 USD to 10,000 USD. So that is the only thing that is wasting people. But with your $10, if you can target $2, you'll be okay. Because if you're only in a position to fund an account 10 USD maximum, hiyo ndio unaweza. Ukitengeneza $2, that's a lot for you. So shida ni kukuwa pressured. Sijui watu wanatumia magic kama nini. Mtu ana flip account from 10 to, is that okay? It might be real, but hey, 10 to 10,000. Hebu jiulize maswali. Okay, I'm not saying it's not possible. It might be possible, but underline the word but with capital letters, but very hard. That's the reality. Hapa ni mtu kuwa mpole. Yeah, you're having $10, target $2 na utakuwa sawa. Sheriff 50 USD, well and good, you can start from there. Yeah, najua ana flip like, okay, not to 10,000. That's a real guy. That's a real guy, let me tell you. I've seen their progress. But now ile from ajai kuambia eti 10,000 to 10 ama 0.5 to 10,000 in one day. Maybe sasa ukijipea time vizuri, you can flip that account. Not possible. Eti per day utoe bro. Okay, sawa. Maybe you see for 1 month, maybe utasikia maybe from $10 to $10,000 in a month. At some point, unajua, the problem is kuamsha hii account from $10 upeleke something like 100. It might not be possible at some point. Let's be realistic. Kuna mtu wako hapa na shaipeleka 10,000 inua mkono. Kama ushaitoa 10 to 10k inua mkono. Inua mkono. Okay, so kama hujanifollow, that's not important. So we can focus on what is important. In the meantime, make sure that umenifollow. At least tukiingia live utakuwa notified. Mambo itakuwa amazing. So I just want to get into my account. Ndio at least tuanzie hapo. And I'm going to give them first market directly. Hatutashindia hivyo. At Barracks FX from 10 to 10,000 or 10 to 1,000. That is very possible. Very possible. I can flip that in only less than 2 hours. I can tell you for free. If you give me time without interruption. And the main problem is to kuamsha hiyo account from 10 upeleke 100. That is the only problem. But to 10,000 it might not be possible. But from 10 to 1,000 it's possible. If you have time and the market is okay, na hakuna manipulation, you can make it to 1,000. The only problem sio iti kugrow 10 to 1,000. The problem inakuanga kuitoa 10 upeleke something like 100 ama 200. Na hiyo ni kuamsha sasa. Kuamsha inakuanga imelala. Unaona? So maybe 140 USD ilienda. Maybe how to withdraw nowadays. You can use either Binance, you can use Fastpesa agent, you can use derivative third party like Binary M-Pesa, you can use ABP. You know, ABP inakuanga hapa kwa site, so you can use it. But iko under, yeah. So I think I have an account of, as you can see right here. So I'm going to push at least 2,200 ama maybe 2,000 tu sawa ama niaje. So my name is Analyst Kim. Welcome back to today's live. So we're here to trade together, we execute, at least tuone venye mambo itakuwa, and we hope that everything is gonna be fine. So are you guys ready for this? If you're ready, just react with thumbs up and let's go. Okay, so I want us to get into the first market. Kama kwa YouTube, I want you to check out this strategy. Nitadia hapo kwa screen. So we are live on YouTube for those people that are wondering kwenye tuko tumeshare screen. Okay, that is it. So just make sure that you're following exactly what I'm telling you to do. Don't do your own things. And this is a disclaimer. If you don't know what we are doing, I usually advise that you should not trade. Okay, otherwise you're going to lose, and the main purpose is to make profits, not to make losses. So if you don't understand what you're doing, please don't trade. Okay, I usually advise this. Kama hujui venye huo tuna trade, okay, I think I have my own way of trading, the same way as mtu mwingine akona their own way of trading. So do this. Join my Google Meet classes. We are here to trade, we are not here to train. Okay, saa 8 kutakuwa na class, usiku 10 PM kutakuwa na class ya Google Meet. So it's better you first of all join those classes before you think of trading. Okay, so understanding the strategy first is the best thing, because hata sasa nikikupea market nikwambie T10 plain index iko sawa, trade over 3, and you don't understand the reason that tumesema iko sawa, it will be very hard for you to trade. Okay, you might make some profits, but it's good to understand the concept first. It's very important. Are we together? So this is Analyst Kim. First of all, make sure that you follow. Then come with the join our Telegram group. You need to join that group, because hizo links za Google Meet wanatuma hapo. You can join sahi uone chenye wewe inaendelea pale. Okay, jibu Philip mkuu. Acha nione. Where is Philip? Nimejaribu zote zimekataa, inasema cashier blocked. Why? You can live chat them. Maybe sometimes that happens, but ukiwa live chat, I think Deriv as one of the best customer services. Deriv, okay, I think they have one of the best customer services, so you cannot complain on that. Just live chat them, they're going to sort you. What is the site that you are using? Profitup.site. Those people that are on YouTube, I believe you can clearly see. Now, from 1,724, let's see how much you're going to make from this. If you don't know what you're doing, don't trade. It's better you just listen and wait. Are we together? Nasty 75 plain. So I'm going to open the analysis tool on my other end. Then on my other side, nitakuwa nimefungua the robot. So kama kwa YouTube nitakuwa na kuwekea screen hapo hivyo na kuonyesha venye unaweka settings kwa Genesis version 1 bot. Kwa TikTok ingia tu YouTube. Then you so because hapa hivi nimeshare screen, you can see exactly what is screen. Okay, tuko pamoja. Haya, so nataka niweke dark mode is it just like that, so at least you can proceed from there. Then on the other side, we're going to open 75 index on the analysis tool, And we're using this strategy that is here. I believe that kila mtu anaiona. Here's the strategy. Okay. Don't say that you don't have the skills. You need a simple strategy to become profitable. Hizo mambo mengine, don't think of those other strategies that are going to confuse your mind. Zitakukula akili sana. Okay. So let's check out this one. So I said this, kuna mtu alikuwa this is 25 index, sorry. So I thought nimefungua hiyo, but wacha tuende direct to 75 index. 75 index. Okay. So you need to check some, you need to note the percentage of those specific digits. So on the losing digits tulisema they should not be gaining, and the digit that is gaining should be used as the entry point to exclude it. Are we together? So we have 0, 1, and 2 in that case. 0 side it's gaining, 1 is not gaining because it's not more than 10.5. The gaining range is usually between 10.5% to 11.5%. Are we together? Ukipitia hii PDF yenye iko hapa hivi itakuelezea everything. So you need to be having it. Are we together? So we come back here. Digit 2 is having 10.1%. So ikiweza gain tunaachana nayo. Okay? So 0 is having 10.5%. So if we were to trade over in this case, tunatumia 0 kama entry point. Are we together? But the question is digit 2 gaining because ilikuwa 10.1. So ikianza kupanda maybe ifike 10.4, we avoid it because chances za kufika 10.5 which is under the gaining range zinakuanga very high. Are we together? So hapa hivi tunaweza ingia na digit 0 very fast. Okay? So check the difference between the least appearing digit and the second least appearing digit, which is the yellow bar in that case. So ukiangalia ilikuwa kwa digit 1 but sasa imeenda kwa digit 7. Yellow bar ikuange na shida. You can assume it provided that hakuna digit ingine ina gain of the provided that hakuna digit ingine na. What am I trying to say? Unajua kuanga na only chance to decrease ama to decrease in percentage because if the red bar gains, the yellow bar must decrease. That is what happens. Okay? You can use digit 0 as the entry point, but now tunakuanga na two predictions of Genesis version 1. In that case, we're not going to use digit second prediction. Reason being, it's gaining like on the blue bar. You see, the blue bar inakuanga na very high chances to gain because the digit that is following the most appearing digit. So in case the blue bar, the green bar decreases, sasa blue bar ndio itakuwa na gain. And that's why most of the digit matches strategy, most of the mentors wanasema predict the second most appearing digits. Okay, that is the blue bar in that case, which is very okay. Now let's go for over 2. Entry point itakuwa on digit 1 on 75 plain index. Okay, and I want us to be very fast, and that's why kama kwa YouTube nilisema login mapema. Kama uja login usitrade because what are you waiting? It's all about speed and accuracy. Speed and accuracy. So it means that you should be very fast and you should be very accurate at the same time. Are we together? Kuna mtu anauliza site ni gani? www.profitup.site. And please, if you don't know the website and you are on TikTok, just go to YouTube because nimeshare screen, you can clearly see the website. Okay, so very fast, let's confirm for the last time. The market is okay. So let's be patient. Something is trying to change because the blue bar is coming on digit 0. So that one can be a bit tricky. That is on 75 index. You cannot trade a market whereby the blue bar is on your entry point. Never. Okay? Hapo ndio una run over 2 ama over hata even over 0. It is 0 inaanza kuapia consistently. Mara 3 zikifuatana manzi. Hakuna kitu inaumanga kama hiyo. So the reason is because it's having the blue bar. Maybe sahi kitoka, like for example sahi imetoka, we can trade, but now note the difference between the third most appearing digit. Okay, because imetoka kwa 0 sahi 0 iko na 10.4. You see, kama kwa YouTube I believe that you can see what I'm talking about. Then ingine iko 10.6. So ni rahisi sana kurudi kwa digit 0. Unaona? So hapo ukitrade unafaa kusnipe haraka sana. Okay? But sasa let's wait for a clear difference. We are not here to snipe. Tuko hapa kutafuta ile market iko poa, tuingie vizuri. Are we together? Haya, sasa iko 10.5, nitaandika hapa hivi 10.5%. So ingine iko 10.6, unaona zimekaribiana sana. So chances za hiyo digit kurudi kwa hiyo blue bar kurudi kwa zero ziko very high. Of which tumesema, unaona sasa imerudi. So lazima ukuwe very 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 smart. Tuko pamoja. Digit trading is all about understanding the logic and what is happening in these digits. You only have digit 0 to 9. So you can now learn how to master those digits. At the moment umejua kumaster, well and good. Naona ni kama watu walikuwa wametoka waende kutrade lakini nikawa disappoint, but it's not me, it's the market. And we are not here to gamble. We are here to trade what we see. Okay? Okay. So kama kuna mtu anaona an alternative market unaweza tupea at least tuone venye itakuwa. I want us to at least take the first trade. Na hiyo ilikuwa over. I said that I actually like starting with an under market, maybe under 7. On the alternative entry point tunaweza tumia the red bar ama yellow bar. Sijui kama mnajua. Haya. So we're going to check a different one. Let's be patient. Okay. Kama kuna mtu anaona market, tunatumia Genesis. Nimesema kama hujui exactly what you're doing, just go on YouTube, search analyst him. At least utaona screen nimeshare hapo hivyo. You can see everything over there. Okay. But don't trade if you don't know what you are doing. Just avoid guesswork. Okay. So at least I want us to take the first trade. Let's hope that you're going to get the best. Make sure that you follow. I'm not telling you to follow me just because of anything. Nataka at least tukiingia live ukuange notified na mambo inakuwa amazing. Now it get, yeah. So just make sure that you follow. Itazidi kukua amazing. Ama ni aje watu wangu. 51s, okay. So I'm trying to get a market, so let's be patient with each other. And if you want to see the screen, I'm also streaming on YouTube. You can just go check it. So you can trade under, but now, so if I could gain, maybe decrease 9. Are we together? Because hiyo 9 imekaribiana sana na 4, so it means that there is a bit of competition. So sijui naweza toa mpya kwa na niblokia hawa watu, but it's okay. So we proceed. So nimesema just make sure that you're on the website, then you and right now ilikuwa 10.2, so iko 10. Use digit 9 is the entry point, but we said something, if it happens that you're using either the red bar or the yellow bar is your entry point, you need to make sure that at least or more digits on the winning side, that is a digit 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0 are in the gaining range, which is 10.5% to 11.5%. Are we together? Now right now we having digit 0, digit 1 and digit 6, so we can use digit 9 as the entry point. So very fast, let's do this. This is the 25 index. So kama YouTube nitakuwekea settings happening on the screen na at least utaelewa better, okay? So this is a 25 index. Make sure that unaweka settings haraka. 25 index, then we are going for under, sawa? Haya, then a prediction 1 unaweka 7, prediction 2 bado unaweka digit 7. Reason being, digit 6 is having more than 11.2%. So there's no way you can use digit 2, that is a digit 6 is the second prediction, because in again sana, okay? I hope tuko pamoja. So we're going for under, entry point tunaweka digit 9. So the entry is still valid. So kama uko YouTube, make sure that unaweka settings vizuri. So sijui ni watu wangapi wako YouTube, but it's okay. So mi na stake na 75, I'll be targeting $50 because I just want to take and sasa nilisema it's always good kuingia market mapema. Unaona Deltron ashaingia. Unajua mi bado sijaingia, but it's okay. The market is still okay. In fact, we have the red bar on digit 9, which is very perfect because red bar inakuanga na chances mingi za kuwapiga. Include digit 9 and trade under because the under digits are gaining. Sijui kama mnaelewa hii concept. It's very simple. So tunaweka sawa, prediction entry point of digit 9. Don't use 6 tafadhali. It might be tricky. So I think everything on my end is perfectly done. So we are using digit 9 as the entry point in that case. So nataka I'm going to count down from 3. Watu wangu wa YouTube sijui mko wangapi? Okay, nice. So you can see people on YouTube. Someone is saying that it's not clear. Naona Dominic Kimutai trade on YouTube. So let's go. I want to count down from 3. Last confirmation on the market. Let's go. So I want to count down from 3, 2, and 1. Ikisema run bot immediately. So let's go. In 3, 2, and 1. Entry point on digit 9. Alikuambia ukiangalia market kama ina change. That is what is important. So unaangalia bado inyanguzwa kama kwa YouTube. I believe unaona hapa hivi, but 8 and 7 and still not gaining, so we're still on the right side. Are we together? Then ukiangalia kuna 0, 2 and 5. Are we together? So we're still waiting for digit 9. Okay, so these are the settings. Tunaingia, make sure that tunaingia because hiyo entry point imekaa sana, and that's why kuna watu tulikuwa tunaaju kidogo wa group wakasema TikTok inaweza delay kidogo, but sasa provided that the market is okay, the entry point is still valid, bado iko kwa that specific digit yenye tumepeana, we are always on the right side. Okay, kama tuliingia pamoja this, if you're going to trade and you're not going to share the exits, tutakosana sana because you need to share the exits with me. Okay, at least nijue we are going together. Okay, pick the first one on digit 5. So sijui kama digit 5 manzi, guys, what is happening? Because yangu imepick digit 5 but ikachelewa sana kupick the second one, so sijui nita stop ama what am I supposed to do? But that is a network problem. Guys, check out this. I think watu wameshika 5-4, but sasa net yangu imenifail because check out this, imeshika 5, 8, 0 and 4. So hapa recovery ndio imeniokoa because imeshika 5 then ikapause mwanzo ku trade, but that is network. That is not a problem with the bot. Okay, but when you wameshika 5-4, well and good, because yangu imeshika 5. Unaona network venye naweza delay mse, so you need to be very keen, at least make sure that the network is on point. Sijui kama tuko pamoja, those people that are on YouTube, and the market is still valid, so you can go for under, use digit 9 as the entry point and take another trade on that. So let me make some 16 USD, so bado sija hit my target, as you can see right here. So what I'm going to do, I just want to reset. Okay, so at least we can take another trade on the same. So I think naweza toa hii hapa hivi, nilikuwa na charge hapo. Okay, so tunatumia digit 9 as the entry point. Those people that on YouTube, you can clearly see 8 and 9 are not gaining, right? 9 is having the red bar, right? We are having digits 0, 5 and 6 on the winning side. So in that case we can use digit 9 as the entry point. So nataka tuingie haraka. Kama umepata, and let's agree on this. Kila mtu akitrade, either utuambie ile profit umemake ama utuambie your exit spot, because I'm sure that they are going to be the same. That is one thing that I can assure you. Nikimake loss on my end, utamake loss on your end. Moso kama entry point itakaa sana. The market is still okay. Kama kuna mtu ajaingia, ingia haraka na digit 9. Okay? Haya, let's go. Nataka ni hesabu last confirmation, the market is okay. So let's go. The red bar is on digit 9, Haya, nitaongea hapa nisikie. So let's go. Naona kuna, so in 3, 2 and kuna mtu ameingia second round na kuna mtu ajaingia completely. What are you waiting for? Make sure that uko kwa profit-hub.site, load Genesis version 1 bot. Weka settings. Kama ujui chenye tunafanya, ingia YouTube. Nimekuwekea, itakuwa amazing. So make sure that at least unaingia haraka. Yeah. So kama kuna mtu tumeingia pamoja, you can maybe let me know those people that tumeingia pamoja. Okay, aya, I think okay, kama tumeingia pamoja, niambie your exits wenye nimesema run ukaingia, because I can see nimepigwa tena loss na digit 7 but I recovered on digit 2 and 0. Is that the same case on your end? Sijui kama mnaona trend, nimesema okay na hivi 6720. Nice, 6720. Okay, then we agreed on this, in case to pigo loss you're supposed to stop on the na unaona kuna mtu amepiga 672056. What? So let's confirm kama bado iko sawa. In fact, we can use digit 9 as the entry point very fast. Okay? So I'm going to reset. Unajua nimetengeneza only $32. So just feel left behind, but hakuna shida. So let's reset, tuingie tena na digit 9. Are we together? Digit 9 is having the yellow bar. So first of all, confirm kama kuna 3 digits that are gaining on the winning side. We have 0, 11.3%. We have digit 5, 10.8%. Then tuko na digit 6, 10.9%. Are we together? Then tunatumia digit 9 sasa kama entry point. Are we together? Kama uko YouTube, I believe that unaona what I'm trying to say. Okay? So those people that are on YouTube, we are here, 5054. Your net is great. Okay, nice. So ukisikia wakisema network iko poa, it means that wanaona screen vizuri kama wenye wenye wako YouTube. So unafaa kuingia hiyo market tena because bado haja change. And don't be late. So the entry point is on digit 9 and it's the red bar. So we are on the right side. We have a very clear difference between the red bar and the yellow bar. So bado we are on the right side. Na kama hujani follow manzi, you need to follow Analyst Kim. Ai? So let's go. In 3, are you ready? So just make sure that you are ready. So in 3, 2, and 1, run. Unaona kuna watu wanaingia at the same time, akina she 42, nice. I need to block someone. Aya. Okay. Mwenye tumeingia pamoja, we are now out. I don't guess on over and under markets. I'll never. Check out this. Kama nimesema run, confirm your exits because we have now secured our target. Delton 3-3. Perfect. This is amazing guys. This is amazing. Watu wangu wa YouTube, nani ameingia hii trade? 3-3. Watu wa 3-3 kama Analyst Kim, you can just type, and we are now at 1809. Okay? So I think so far we have made a profit of 32 plus 52. That is $84. I think so. Check out this. What is making you not to trade? Okay, 3-3. Okay, those people that are on YouTube, make sure that you comment your exits, that profit that you have made. Malin anajiuliza YouTube najiita aje? Aya, so endo to search Analyst Kim. Are we together? Aya, so nataka tuingie a different trade. So kama the market is okay, we're going to execute. Hakuna kuibembeleza. But right now, check out this. Kama uko YouTube, let's analyze this. So digit 7 is having now the red bar. Digit 9 yenye ilikuwa na red bar imekuwa na yellow bar, iko na 9.1%. So those digits are very close. Okay? So digit 7 is having 8.9%. Digit 9 is having digit 7 is having 8.8%, right? Digit 9, okay. Digit 9 imekuwa na 9.2. Then sasa yellow bar imerudi kwa digit 4. So bado tunaweza change entry point to digit 7, but now we're not going to repeat that market. So what we're going to do, should we trade? Someone to tell us on the comments. Should we trade that market? Because we have made 3 trades on the same market. So should we? Kuna place naweza learn over and this is I don't want to use words like king or something. Aya. Okay, let's change. So kama kuna mtu anaona market nyingine unaweza tupea, but now mimi utrade over under. Kuna mtu anauliza kama anaweza trade over and under. You can trade. Okay, so ndio tumeingia tu ma settings. Nimesema tu just make sure that tumeingia kwa profithub.site. Okay, and mtu asijaribu kukuambia kukudiscourage. Okay, but lazima kukuwa na watu wa kukudiscourage. That's all you need to understand. Because mimi nilianza trading na my bro manze. So tulikuwa tunang'ang'ana sana bro. Let me tell you. Unajua watu wengi hapa more than 90% that time hawako wana trade. I'm very sure. More than 90% of traders wenye wako kwa hii live either on YouTube ama TikTok hawako wana trade. Because tell me kama ulikuwa una trade 2020, tell me 6 years ago. Mkono kama ulikuwa una trade those years. ama kama ulikuwa unasikia about trading, sometimes we just interact but Vicky alikuwa na trade, kuna mtu mwingine, so that time manze tulikuwa tunanua trading robots. Let me tell you, sasa mi nilikuwa na changa na my brother tunanua bot, okay, because hakukuwa na otherwise. So $120, sometimes $200, then unfortunately unakuja una blow ile account manze. Hiyo kitu unanua bot ya $120 unakuwa na account ya $50 hoping that you're going to flip with it, but sometimes unakuja una blow ile account. But sasa zilikuwa zinatusaidia at some point because I think zile profits tulikuwa tunamake, because mi ilikuwa nikiwa na account ya 50 I could make extra $20 then sasa E20 manze haishikwi. So E20 sasa in case nikuje ku blow, because sio 20 peke yake, in fact I'm going to make 20 plus some 20 tomorrow or maybe plus 10, so at the end of the week nitakuwa na some $100. So nikikuja ku blow account nakuja na fund tena, and that's how I grew trading wise. Let me tell you, ni kama nimeona Prince Mose around, where are you? Because anafaa host Google Meet from 2 p.m. So guys, let's proceed and hope for the best. At least we have taken some trades on that. 3 trades back to back. 3 trades. Hata acha nihesabu sasa tujue we have made 3. So we are now going to proceed. Let's hope for the best. Okay. Then kama uko YouTube, make sure that una subscribe to that channel. Naona watu wali subscribe jana sana and I'm really grateful. So thank you so much. So we proceed to the next trade. All the way from 17 something, we are now at 1809. We have made an extra 80 something USD. So kama uko TikTok na udajoin our my Telegram group, unajua nilisikia mtu anasema watu wafai kuambia mtu tap the link on bio. It's not good. So sijui what is the best way I can tell you to join my group, because sasa ni kama it's form of something that is usually goes on, watu wakiambiwa tap link on bio, but I can promise that you only need to join my group. I'm not going to tell you to create an account using my broker. No, just join the group. Okay. So kama hujanifollow, si it's not bad, you just follow me. Kufollow mtu si ni rahisi sana, okay? So kuna mtu alisema nasty, is it nasty ama kuna mtu ametengeneza 260 USD. We unajua mimi nimetengeneza only $80, but it's okay. Ingine ikuje sasa. So let's go. Na ngoja mtu atupe markets hapo kwa comments, because mi nimefunzana for the longest time. Na wewe sema eti ukwangi kwa class B, juu mimi sitakwambia eti nipe $200 nikufunze, nipe what for? Bro, just join the class. Ukisaidika sawa, because kusaidika pia ni sawa, because it has not costed you anything. Okay? Okay. So there's no way utasema you don't know how to analyze. Maybe kama umetujoin leo for the first time, maybe you don't know how to analyze, but kama kwa group I'll always make sure that at least you understand those things. So I'm still checking on another market, so let's be patient. Na kama kuna mtu anaona moja, kwa hivyo you can just give us one. Kuna mtu anasema I'm new here, just feel welcomed, just feel at home. Okay, tuangalie 50 index. Yabesh. Okay guys, so let's hope that hii haita to disappoint, because we have 2 predictions. That is a 2 and 3 and 7 without prediction 2, but in this one we have prediction 3. Remember, you cannot use prediction 3. You cannot use digit 3 as the second prediction if it's either gaining ama iko na red bar. What does that mean? Either iko na 10.5% plus ama iko na red bar, because those are gaining digits, ama iko na blue bar. Okay, either ikuwe less than 10.5 na isikuwe 10.4 ama 10.3, because kugain hapo ni rahisi sana. Utakuwa umerun bot but inakuja na gain ukiendelea ku run bot. You need to be very smart. So in this case we're going to use digit 1 as the entry point. We don't have any other digit that is gaining in this case. Are we together? So there's one thing that can happen in this market. Listen very well. So this red bar can shift to digit 3. Sasa yellow bar irudi kwa digit 1. So what is going to happen in that case? That is exactly what has happened. So you cannot use prediction 3 as the second prediction. So you need to check, you need to check whether there is a clear difference in those percentages. Kama uko YouTube, I believe unaelewa chenye nasema. Are we together? So digit 1 ikiwa na red bar, unaona sasa imeanza kuwa na yellow bar. So huwezi tumia prediction 2 kama entry point. So we're going to use digit 1 as the entry point, but let's avoid prediction 2. Okay? I've just said avoid. So just understand my accent. Okay? If you don't understand, that's your own problem. I'm not mimi haitanihusu. So we're going to use digit okay. Digit 0 is trying to gain. Prince Mose, I can see you. Na kama kuna mtu anajua ku keep time ni huyu jamaa. Because alikuwa ananiambia I'll be available by 11:30. Then by 11:25 he is available. Okay? So that is amazing. Okay? Big up to Prince Mose, you have been doing a great job. Okay, so nataka tuingie na digit 0. So right now as we talk, the entry point is on digit 0 because digit 3 and 4 ndio okay, the red bar inataka kurudi kwa digit 0. So this one is becoming tricky because number 1 is trying to gain, 0 is gaining. You can never trade a market whereby more than 1 digit is gaining on the losing side. Are we together? So you need to spot only 1 digit that is gaining on the losing side. So that at least you can exclude it and take advantage of the gaining digits on the winning side. Are we together? Aya. So yellow bar inatoka tena. Unajua, I want to confirm something so that at least we can trade this market. So we can use 0 as the entry point. Sasa iko na 10.5. Hiyo haina shida. Hata ikifika 10.7 provided that it's not the blue bar, we can use it as the entry point. Okay? But sasa hii red bar imerudi sana. So please, can someone give us a different market as I try to check? But this market could be very perfect, okay? Because we have but sasa maybe sasa E0 decrease pia tunaweza tumia 1 kama entry. But let's be patient. Na kama uko TikTok unadhani follow, what are you waiting for? I need more people. I actually like this tukifanya tukiwa wengi. At least najua kuna watu wanahangaika sana na strategies. Ni venye hamwezi sema. So I'll give you the perfect strategy. Ask those people that tulianza pamoja hii mwaka ikianza. Ni hii mwaka ama ni wapi? Wengine wameenda majuu. Msiniulize kwa nini mimi sijaenda majuu. Unajua, okay. Kuna mtu wako hapa akona capital mingi kuniliko and I accept that. You can train someone na akuwa anatengeneza pesa mingi kuliko. And that is what I did. Kuna jamaa anaitwa Dante anakuwa na accounts kubwa bro. Let me tell you guys. Ebu Prince Mose waambie. So mi hata siwezi fika pale but unajua kuna watu wako na accounts kubwa. That person, mimi nilikwambia you can never find me with an account of maybe $100,000. That's my trading account. Mimi ni mtu wa $5,000, $7,000. Ikienda sana 10k. But sasa mi nikitrade na withdraw. Unaona? That is what I usually do. Okay. So wacha tuangalie hii imechange. So let's check out N1S. It's good we test our 1S market. Aya. So it's 1, but let's be patient. Unajua hii market inafaa kuchange haraka. So you need to confirm the entry point. And that is what I let me train you na mtengeneze pesa mingi sana. Okay? So I'm going to use digit 0 as the entry point in this case. But now, the entry point might shift to digit 1. That is what might happen. But now, let's do this. Nataka tuingie over, tumie 0 kama entry point. And let's be fast on this. Wacha mwanzo niweke settings before niweke. So 10-1S over. So prediction 1 unaweka 2. Prediction 2 unaweka digit 3. Okay? But make sure that you are fast, because the market is very okay. Okay, nice. So prediction 2 weka digit 3. So ebu weka settings kama unajua chenye nasema. Ebu weka settings, you to confirm hii entry point. Is it on 0 or 1? That is what I said nikiangalia hii market. Nilijua inaweza swing from 0 to 1. So nataka niweke prediction 2 3. Okay. Then entry point. Before the entry point, is it on digit 1? So ebu weka 1 mwanzo. I'm going to confirm before to run. Okay. So weka settings vizuri, 10-1s over, prediction 2-3-1. Are we together? The market is okay. So make sure that umeweka settings vizuri. So kama kwa YouTube nasema hivi, this is our entry point right here. You can clearly see. But sasa zero imeanza kugain. So this one can be tricky. So wacha to confirm hiyo entry. So iko kwa zero. So change the entry point weka zero. Unajua market za wanaweza zinakuanga tamu, but sasa ukipata market perfect. Like right now, we are going to use digit zero as the entry point. It's not confirmed. So let's do this. Kama ulikuwa YouTube, acha nikuwekea settings. Na ukiweka settings mapema, run bot. That's why I said you need to be very fast and very accurate. Okay? So change volatility, weka 10-1s. I want us to be very fast. So market weka over, prediction 1 weka 2, prediction 2 weka 3, entry point weka digit 0. Let's go. Settings weka hivi, 10-1s over, entry point weka digit 0. Are we together? So let's make one confirmation on the same. Entry point iko kwa digit 0. Are we together? So can we go for these guys? Let's go for these. So nataka ni hesabu from 3 na watu hawajaingia mapema. Nilikuwa na expect exits sahi. So let's go. So entry point on 0, 10-1s. Let's go. So in 3, 2 and 1 run. So run. Tumesema digit 0. Ngoja mwanzo. Aya, kama umeingia well and good, you're on the right side because hauna digit nyingine na again hapo. 1577. Uone kama umeingia mapema, but it's okay. So kama tumeingia, we are out. Because why not? Ya base Kenya 58. Let me confirm. What are you waiting? 3-3. Nani ameshika 3-3? Ama yangu imeapia mapema? 3-3. I won't lie. 3-3. Nice. The money styles. Maybe hao wameingia mapema. Kama tumeingia pamoja, can you confirm 3-3? Those are the exits. Okay? Okay. So, the same entry point, tunaweza ingia tena, but let's confirm kama in again. Just a minute. You need to confirm kama it's the only digit yenye iko na high chances to gain. Ukiongeza 10% kwa sahi ina gain haraka sana. So iko 10.4. So tunaitumia kama entry point. Let's go. So I'm going to reset and I'm now at 1861. Some $50 added. A real trader ataelewa the importance of adding $50 in your account without a negative. Okay. So let's go. Entry point on digit 0 and has to be very fast. No, wait. Tulia. So naona one ina try kushoot, but let's wait. It's not the blue bar, so isikushwe. So change the entry point weka digit 1. Change entry point weka digit 1. Very fast. So entry point weka digit 1. Yes. Nice. Then ukiweka 1 you can run your bot. Ukiweka 1 you can run your bot. Yabesha shaingia Deltron pia. So entry point, let's take one more trade on this. So entry point on digit 1, let's go. 3, 2 and 1. Run over digit 1. Wacha niangalie sasa settings. Tumesema unaweka hivi 10-1s, then market ni over, entry point digit 1. So hapa hivi utachange weke digit 1 kama kwa YouTube. Unajua kuna beginners So kama kuna mtu ujaingia mapema, please make sure that unaingia mapema. That is very important. Okay, naona tumeanza na digit 8, digit 0. So kama kuna mtu ajaingia, stop on recovery because we have made 0744. Nice. So that is a sage ni kama tumeingia pamoja. So as you can see, I've made some 39 USD. Losses must always be there. There's no way you will avoid those losses. So we are fighting the losses to make profits. That's one thing that you need to understand. So kitu ya kwanza, ukiangalia hapa tumepigwa loss, but we are now on profits. Okay, 07449. Nice. So hata tungengoja yani bado tungewin. But sasa due to risk management we had to stop because we are already on profit. Because tell me why. Angalia, unajua $39 ni ngapi? Tuanze ku risk some extra $75 because of greed. So hiyo ni 5k. I don't want to say it in English because TikTok wanaweza tuone hivi waanze kusema hii watu wanaongelea pesa sana, so waje tuwatoe. That is what happens. So are you guys enjoying this so far? Because at least tumechukua some 5 trades so far. Is that not amazing? So I want to reset just like that. And we are now at 1900 USD, 1901. So the target was to hit 2000 hapo hivyo, na I'm sure that tutafika. YouTube iko nyuma na 2 seconds. Hiyo siwe kushtua. You know what? Acha niangalia YouTube. Tunatumia, that's why I selected this bot for live trading. I cannot use a bot that is not having an entry point. Okay? In fact, kama kuna mtu ajaingia, wachana nayo, usiingie saa hii. Maybe we confirm so that we can trade. Naona bado wetu wenye wako YouTube, you're still trading. Class kujoin aje, you can na by the way, guys, let's trade. Guys, tuache mambo mob. That is a Stephen Nyambura. Okay. Volatility 25 1S under. Naona kuna mtu mwingine pia ametrade. Then those people that are on YouTube, tafadhali make sure that at least una subscribe to that channel ama yaje, because I can see you are many. Hey, unajua YouTube ilikuwa inatusumbua sana. Nani ataniokolea na $2? The problem is, are you going to flip that $2? Anyway, let's check out volatility 25 1S. Okay, that is it. Naweza shangaa sana kama kuna mtu wa trade. Over is a no, 25 1S ya besh. Under is still a problem because digit 7 inakaribia 10.5% and 9 is having the blue bar, so that one can be tricky. Are we together? So we check a different one. We check a different is it a different setup or something? So let's see. $51s. Haya. So wacha nione tumekaa masaa ngapi hapa hivi. So it's now 57 minutes since we started. Tuko mapema bwana. Haya. Mwanzo tunyamaze, watu wanifollow. Najua kuna mtu wako hapa mwanzo na hajanifollow. TikTok, guys, you just follow. Okay? So wacha tuangalie 51s, then tuangalie 25 index. Guys, we have 51s market. Okay? So let's use digit 7 as the entry point. First of all, what is the difference between the yellow bar? But hata kirudi huko hakuna shida. So we're going to use digit 7 as the entry point, as you can see right here. So in that case, we are having digit 5, digit 7, other is a digit 1. Also digit 3 is gaining. So we're going to use digit, we confirm, is it digit 7 or 9? So you need to be very, very, very keen on that. Okay, so wacha tuone which digit is that. So we have in digit 7, 9 kwa pamoja. So I want us to do this. Nataka mwanzo niweke settings hapa. Nataka mwanzo niweke, but wait, we have in 2 red bars. That one is not accepted. Those are 2 digits that are gaining. You treat them as 2 gaining digits. Okay. Aya, so digit 9. Digit 9 is the entry point right now. So let's go. So weka volatility 51s. Market weka over. Sawa. Prediction 1 weka, market weka under, sorry. Market weka under. And the entry point is on digit 9. Very fast. Okay. So prediction 1 weka 7. Prediction 2 weka 6. Entry point weka digit. Entry point weka digit 9. Entry point weka digit 9. Then stake. Na make sure that unaongeza stake bwana. 0.5 I take kutoa block. That's the reality. Anyway, we're going for under. The entry point is on digit 9 and the market is okay. Okay. So the only chance on the yellow bar is to decrease. So hiyo isiwe kushtua. Nakwambia hii bot ilikuwa inatusumbua some other time tulikuwa tunashindwa kulogin. But I fixed it. Venye ilikuwa nikaileta. Okay? When you're going okay, so let's proceed. So the entry point is on digit 9. Let's see. This person is not, let me, okay. So sijui kama wanakuanga watu real ama nini, but it's okay. So the entry point is on digit 9 and let's go. So we are now at 1901. Let's hope for the best. So nataka tuingie haraka. Sijawekea settings bwana. Nimesema weka 51s, market weka under. Sawa, market weka under. Prediction 1 weka 7. Prediction 2 weka 6. Those people that are on YouTube. Na make sure that una trade manze. Okay? Aya, so entry point weka digit 9. Are we together? Then stake utaongeza. Mimi naweka 75 So sorry guys for the interruption. So let's proceed. Then Marticle, make sure that tumeweka 1.5. To those people that are on YouTube, I believe that hizo ni vitu mnajua. 51s under, let's confirm for the last time. The entry point is on digit 9. So let's go. So in the change prediction 2 from 6 to 7. Tafadhali. Change prediction 2 weke 6, weke 7. Prediction 2 weka 7 hivyo, sawa? Then tuingie sasa. Now let's go. In 3, 2 and 1. Run. So Dante is around. Huyu ndio Dante nilikuwa na washu. Haya. So wanaelewa, wachana na settings. Okay. Unajua huwezi sema eti wanaelewa. You are not supposed to just assume, okay? Haya. You can't, okay, unajua kuna beginners hapa. So there's no way you can say that kuna beginners, you just assume that. Okay, the entry point is on 9, but now check out this, digit 7 is trying to gain. So that one can be tricky. In fact, kama kuna mtu ajaingia, please avoid it. 948. Okay. So 9489. I think those are that's a loss, 9489 stop loss. Okay. Nimehit stop loss pia. As you can see, stop loss hit. What? Okay, it's okay. Surely, mind as beginners too. That's when okay. Tumeshikwa. That is a 948, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I can maybe reset. Okay. Kama kuna mtu okay, pia mimi stop loss 51. Na kwani hao watu tumeshika 51 mmeingia late ama? Because ukiangalia, okay, nilikuambia hivi, nikipigwa loss tunapigwa loss pamoja, and that is the first loss Monday. Out of 6 trades, we have now lost 1, but it's okay. Aya, it's Jemo anasema 51. Kwani niwaulize, hao watu wameingia 51. Mmeingia mapema ama mmeingia late? But it's okay. Now, nataka tuone kama tunaweza ingia na digit 9, but now, is it because it's a 1S market? Can we please shift to the plain indices? Let's shift to the plain indices. In the meantime, I can maybe reset this. We get into another one. So because sasa tulikuwa on profit, so hakuna shida. Tumengoja next thing tukaingia late. Okay. Waliingia mapema, well and good. But when tumeingia tumeshika 948. So that's a stop loss. But it's okay. So we're back at 1800, but it's okay. So I want to do this. I want to just reset, refresh the site, and we proceed. That is the first loss. Nilikuambia, we are just fighting the losses. That is what we are doing. Okay. So in this case, we can avoid these 51s. Na kama kuna mtu anaona plain index, but I'm sure that we can recover because that is very possible. Okay. Question, do you check bullish or bearish market? Okay, kuna strategies zingine unatumianga candlesticks ku analyze market. Okay? But kuna zingine you cannot use those candlesticks, You can only use digit circles. Okay? But sometimes it's not a must. You can just analyze using the digit circles, but for you to analyze perfectly using those circles, lazima at least ukue umelewa hizo digits vizuri sana. You need to understand those digits very well. So if you're here and you haven't followed me, na hiyo loss imenishtua, but it's okay. Hakuna shida. So what I'm going to do, I want to do this. I want to check our plain market. A plain market. Tuone venye itakuwa. Na kama kuna mtu anaona 125 index ilikuwa our first market. Okay. Haina shida. Tuko kazi, wewe kuja. Anamwambia mko kazi. Okay. So guys, let's check. Nimemwambia I'm back at 1800, but it's okay, It's okay. So I'll be back, So let me have some water. So I'll be back, guys, Okay. Shika. So guys, I'm back. We proceed. Okay. So make sure that at least you're tapping the screen. Guys, how can I create an account? Just tap the link on bio. Utaona mali kumeandikwa create a verified derivative account. Then you can just create one. Are we together? Mambo inakuwa iko fiti. Those people that are on YouTube, I'm going to enter. Wewe ni mtu anasema hivyo. 58 we are many. Kim, please leave me alone. Kim, please leave me alone. Wewe ni mtu anamaanisha aje? Okay. Ama nimekupea markets mingi. Unataka tuongee after this. That's if you don't mind. Aina pressure, you can call me. You can call me on WhatsApp. Aya, so we proceed guys. Let's hope for the best. Na kila mtu kama uko hapa, make sure that tumejoin our group. That is a profitable.site Telegram group. You need to be part of that group. Are we together? Aya. So I want us to take the next trade and we hope for the best. So we come back here. Na kama kuna mtu anaona market moja, mamze, make sure that unatupea trade at least 25 index. Okay, guys, let's check out 25 index. We have the yellow bar. 8.9%, 8.7%. So shida hapa hakuna digit in again, but the market is okay. So the problem is the entry, the problem is the entry point in this case, because we're having digit 3, 4, and digit 8 and 9. Are we together? All those digits are gaining. So which is the gaining digit on the losing side? That is the main question, because you're supposed to use that digit that's gaining as the entry point in that case. Are we together? So 0 is trying to pick. So let's be patient and see how it goes. Unajua yellow bar ingekuwa huko juu, tunaweza itumia kama entry. For example, inarudi kwa digit 1, 8.8%, which is okay. But 0 is the digit that is gaining in this case. Okay, so that one should be our entry point. Are we together? Because the least two digits ni 5 na 6. Are we together? So can we do this? We're going to use digit 1, 0 is the entry point. But wait, hii manze sioni vizuri, so let's be patient. Let's be patient. Okay, so red bar imerudi kwa digit 1. Yeah, so sasa 0 imeanza kugain tena. So unajua 0 kigain na 1 iko na red bar, huwezi trade your market. Are we together? So for example, like right now hatuwezi tumia 0 kama entry point because inaweza kuwa inarudi kwa digit 1. That is what happens. So in the meantime we can start checking a different one, a plain index. So kama kuna mtu anapata moja, tafadhali make sure that wanatupea. Okay. Mose avoid 25 index. Wewe huna shida nayo. Okay, the time we used to have a different strategy. That is yenye tulikuwa tunatumia 3 consecutive, we confirm with over, then we trade. That one ilikuwa the issue over there, but I think sahi sijapata any problem with it. Maybe he can confirm. Haya. Na kama uko hapo na hujanifollow manze, make sure that umenifollow. Number 1, make sure that umenifollow. Haya. You need to follow Analyst Kim manze. Nani atakuwa anakuja kutrade na nyinyi hapa hivi for 2 hours except me? Watu wa ile mambo wameanza kukuja. So I'm still checking on a different haja niko follow juu ya hiyo maneno. Make sure that umenifollow. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm trying to check a market. Sometimes inaweza kuwa tricky kupatikana. So we move to 1S market. Avoid jump indices, avoid 10, avoid 15 1s, 90 1s, and 30 1s. Are we together? Can you try 75 index? Let's see. We're going to go back on 10 1s. Okay. Nani amesema 75 index? This one is a no. This one is a no. 75 1s under. Let's go. That is a Moses. Okay. So hapa hivi, we're going to use digit 9 as the entry point. There's a very clear difference between digit 4 and 9. Okay. So read by Yezi. Hata kirudi kwa 9 we still be on the right side. Are we together? So tuingie haraka. Make sure that this one is, we are on recovery mode. So I have to add the stake. Because lazima ni add stake. So market weka 75 1s, market weka under, sawa, very fast. Then prediction 1 weka 7, prediction 2 weka 7 bado. Entry point weka digit 9, Okay. So I'm going to add the stake to something like should I double? No, 120. So 120, what is the payout? 120. Should I have a 80 USD? No, 100. Okay, nice. So, so the target is the martingale should be 1.5. The entry point is still on digit 9, So nataka tuingie haraka. Are we together? Nataka tuingie haraka. Unajua sijaweka Mose nini hapa hivi. Sijui moderator alienda wapi, Maria FX. Okay. So uone sisi tuko kazi. Okay. So tunaingia na digit 9 and let's be fast on this before it changes. We have digit 0, we have digit 3 and we have digit 6 and also 5. And also digit 4. Those are the possible exits. Okay? So let's go for this. So nimesema kama kwa YouTube, weka settings hivi, market weka 751s hapo hivyo. Kama kuna mtu alipata settings, run bot. Okay? Because inaweza change in the process, you never know. So sawa. Prediction 17, prediction 27, entry point digit 9. Are we together? So that is the 751s. Let's go guys. Wait. Ngoja. So the entry point is on digit. What? So that is not the blue bar. So in a switch to digit 7. So entry point weka digit 7. 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 Entry point weka 7. Entry point weka 7 and run your bot. Okay? So entry point hapo kuja weka 7. Are we together? Kama kwa YouTube nimekuonyesha. 751s 777. Are we together? And now, in a switch tena from 7. So let's be patient. Let's be patient. Okay. So still on 7, but manze 18 again. So hebu anza tuweke 8 as we wait for. It's not the blue bar. So what? 8? No. This one is trying to change. Maybe sasa hiyo green bar itoke pale. Najua kuna watu washaingia already, but kama hujaingia hebu tulia mwanzo. This one is becoming tricky. Let me tell you. So 8 is the entry point right now. 8 is the entry point. Ngoja. 8 is the entry point. Can you go for this? Digit 8, change entry point weka digit 8. Ndio tuone kama tunaweza pata entry ya kuingia. 8. Not really. 8 is the entry point. Ngoja. Hii mwenye anaingia ni mwenye anajua kuangalia hiyo entry point vizuri. So 8 is the entry point. Ngoja. So 9.5. Nakata naogopa tuingie na 7, then sasa irudi tena huku chini. But sasa tunaweza ingia na 7, it's the red bar. So entry point weka 7, then ukiweka 7 you can run immediately. So ukiweka 7, run immediately. So let's go. In 3, 2, and 1. Run. So 751s. Red bar. Unafaa ukuwe very keen because ikitoka kwa 7 inaweza kuwa tricky. So those are the settings. Entry point weka digit 7. Are we together? Entry point weka digit 7. And now, kama tumeingia pamoja, we are now out. Are we together? And in fact, I've made 3 consecutive wins. You see, kama kuna mtu tumeingia pamoja, we are now out. So digit 7, Digit 7 is still the entry point. Nimeshika 406. I had to make 3 consecutive because na haishow kwa screen. Kwa nini? Si nimesema nimeshare screen YouTube. Kama uoni sasa sijui nikusaidiaje. So check out these. These are my exits. And now nilikwambia I'm on recovery mode because nimepoteza $100 in the previous trade. That's why nilikuwa nataka ni snipe vizuri sana. So the same market tunaweza ingia na digit 7. Digit 7 is still the entry point. Tuingie haraka sasa. Tafadhali tuingie haraka. Haya, 604. Wewe umezisoma vibaya. Inafaa usome 406. 4 ndiyo aliapia ya kwanza. Nafaa uelewe hivyo. Okay, so digit 406. So wacha to confirm entry point digit 7. Please let's be fast on this. I want to do this. We're going to reset, then tunaingia tena. I'm not going to reduce my staking. So tunaingia na digit 7. Please let's be fast on this. Aya. So in 3, are we ready? Watu wangu wa YouTube, are we ready? Weka settings vizuri. 75 honest and entry point digit 7. Are we together? Inatoka kwa 7. What? Ngoja. Kama hujaingia usiingie sahi. Just be patient. Okay, digit 7 is the entry point. Digit 7. Nice. Digit 7 is the entry point, right? Ngoja. Kama hujaingia wachana nayo, tulia mwanzo. Tulia. Okay, 7 is gaining, 8 is gaining. So that market is a no. So kama huku ingia wachana nayo, let's take a different market. Okay. Unajua ni mistake na pesa ngapi? Sijui kama umeona, but I don't want to pressure someone. Okay, so utafute a different market. Digit 8 again, yeah. So that one is a no. We check a different market. Let's hope for the best. It's now 1 hour 80 minutes since we started. On YouTube, on TikTok, I believe that everything is going on very well. Wacha niangalia watu wa YouTube wenye wanasema, bro, I'm ready in, I'm ready out. I'm already in, I'm out. Oh, you are out. So inamaanisha tumetoka. Plus $130. Nimeprint $55. Sasa nataka from now mtu atuambie ile pesa ameprint. Sawa? Umeprint ngapi? Why is it that people say that trading doesn't pay? Why is it that people usually say that? Can you tell me on the comments? Why do people say that? Okay, haina shida. $140. Nice one. Unajua nimewapea markets mingi sana. So this must be Dante alikuwa amesema tutabonga. You can call me immediately after this, we're going to talk. Then pia Prince Mose tutabonga. You can call me immediately after this. Juu wanapimisha strategy kila site. I don't know why. Uko kwa profithub.site, uko kwa february.site, uko kwa sites zote bro. Nilisikia kuna sites ukideposit pesa inapotea. Ni ukweli? Hebu niambie hapo kwa comments. Unajua, for example, my website profithub.site is just a derivative website. I don't get any, yani ukideposit pesa inaenda kwa derivative, not to analyst scheme. No. Unajua watu wanasemanga eti ukideposit pesa inaenda kwa analyst scheme. Naona Kankara ametengeneza some $74. Kuna mtu mwingine ametrade. Nataka tuingie the next trade. Then sasa the next trade, let's agree on this. Naona kuna JK Master Trader ametengeneza $50. You know, kuna sites maybe nilisikia ukideposit pesa zinaenda kwa huyo trader. Then I was just like, why? Third party ina shida, wanaweka za sijui KE. So ile pesa una deposit inaenda kwa deri, not to ukitrade pesa. That's why ukitrade unaenda kwa account yako ya deriv, unapata pesa imereflect huko. You can withdraw money from that deriv.com. You only use to automate your trades, okay? And to live trade with analyst king because tunatumia bot ziko hapo. Sasa pesa yako ifiki kwa analyst king. So just make sure that you're very keen on everything. Plus 420. That's nice. Big. So mimi sijafika hiyo 420, but it's okay. I hope you guys are making some good progress, and that's always my happiness. Round 1 plus round 2. Oh, okay. That's nice. That's nice. Anasema ni gani good. Terminator. Unaweza tuambia ni gani? Oh. Oh, kuna side nilideposit that USD na kuangalia account iko 5. What? Maybe, and sometimes you guys kuna Jimo ametengeneza some 12 USD. Okay. So hata mkitaka tunaweza achia hapo, but we can but I'm sure that watu wamerecover, but tuko mapema. Tunafaa to stop 12. Ala, kumbe 12 imefika. Okay. So I hope you guys are making good progress. Mimi niko sure ukiwa na capital na uko na analyst team huwezi kosa some few dollars on a daily basis. Kila siku huwezi kosa kitu. I'm sure about it. Huwezi kosa. Because I trust my strategies. So manze, make sure that una join. Make sure that una join group. Utafunzwa hapo hivyo na analyst Kim na Prince Mose. Those two guys. Mungu atuweke tu, kitakuja kueleweka. Hebu andikeni mahali. Andika mahali kitakuja kueleweka. Okay? Huyu anasema Kamalaya. Nani huyo anaitwa hivyo? Oh, surely mimi naitwa hivyo jameni. Okay. Let me just block you. Okay. Kama kuna mtu ajanifollow, manze make sure that umenifollow. And I appreciate you guys are really following this account. Okay. Na unajua niliwaambia nataka tufikishe hii account 10,000. So make sure that unanifollow manze, tufike 10,000 followers. Sawa? And I will really appreciate. Sawa? Ignore the haters. No, I don't deal with the haters. Hata kila mtu anakuanga na haters. Okay? And wote tunawakaribisha wakuje to trade. Any hater akuje to trade. We show them how we usually do it. Thanks. Naona Paris ananitumia gift. Ubaya zo sijui. Okay, maybe gift inafanyanga live ikuwe active. I don't know. But it's okay. So let's keep tapping the screen waku. Let's keep tapping the screen. Let's keep pushing. Siku moja niliwaambia kitaeleweka. Okay? We must build a group of consistently profitable traders. Consistently profitable doesn't mean that unakuwa unatengeneza eti $1,000. As long as unatengeneza your $20 per day, imagine uko sawa. Unajua $20 times 30, that is how much? 600 USD. Ukijikaza kidogo ufikishe 750, utakuwa umetengeneza 100,000 Kenya shillings per month. We're talking about yule mtu wako chini kabisa. Unaona? Kama uko na capital vizuri unaweza tengeneza even 500k, unaweza tengeneza even 1 million, you know. Yeah, very very possible. Okay? Yeah, mambo inakuwa iko fiti. Sawa? True, let's keep going. Thanks for helping. You're welcome Judy. You're welcome. I'm humbled. Naona mnanitumia roses. Thank you guys. Mtu apewe maua yake akiwa hai. Kuna song yetu inasemanga hivyo ya Kikamba. Sijui kama kuna Mkamba hapa anajua hiyo song. Najua mnashangaa kwani huyu jamaa ni Mkamba. Sasa kama hujaijua wewe. Okay, let's proceed guys. Watu wa YouTube, sorry kwa kuweka huku. Acha niwarudishe huku sasa. Okay. So we can take one more trade, so at least we can call it a perfect afternoon. Tulianza morning, it's now afternoon. So keep tapping the screen guys, and if possible usisahau kunifollow. You just unafinya hapo hivyo tu, and I'll really appreciate. Okay, we can take one more trade and call it a day. Those people that wanataka kulearn, we have a Google Meet class. I think some few hours after this. Is it some few hours ama some few minutes? But I'll not be hosting it. Kuna jamaa anaitwa Prince Mose. Sasa siwezi toka hapa then niingie Google Meet. So yeye ataingia wafunze, then huwa na share strategies na yeye, so anaelewa everything that I usually share. So it's just the same thing. So if you want to learn, they can train you na mambo ikuwe sawa. Then sasa mimi nitakuwa tunaingia live trade from 10:30 AM in the morning on a daily basis. So usikose jameni, usikose. Nakuwa tuna trade pamoja. So nataka, should we take one more trade or we stop at that point? Someone to tell me one last or we stop? Because tusha hit our targets. Someone to just tell me on the comments. Acha ni set alarm sasa. Link ya Google Meet mtu itatumwa kwa group ya Telegram. So that's why nakwambia, if you want to join the class, it's a free class. No one is going to charge you. Okay, one more. Kuna mtu anasema ni mbaye lunch. I can give you a market to trade. Au unasema aje wako juu? Tukikubaya lunch, I'm sure that ni watu wengi hapa wanataka lunch. No, kuna watu wanaendanga wakiambia watu wanunue lunch and they don't think of trading. Think of trading manze. Hata kama unatengeneza $1, unajua $1 inaweza kusotia lunch. Mimi nikiwa beginner nilikuwa na withdraw $2 ninunue food. We. Telegram, you just tap the link on bio, then eti yako Qatar na naomba lunch. So we are going to take one more trade, then we quit and we stop at that point. Then sasa tutapatana mabade. Kama kuna mtu anaona moja, si unaweza tupea tuone venye itakuwa, and we'll really appreciate. So our plain index itakuwa better. A plain index. Okay. A trade up at lunch. Yeah. A trade. That is the best thing that we can give him or her. Sindio? Tukimpea lunch leo, kesho atapewa tena. Tutakuwa tunamnunulia lunch on a daily basis. But akijua ku trade atakuwa sawa. Na sisi tunasema hivyo kwa ubaya. We don't hate anyone because why should we? So can we take 100 index, then we use Digitro as the entry point? 100 index, there's a very clear difference between 0 and 9, so we can take that one, but let's confirm kama kuna 3 digits. We have digit 3, we have digit 6, we have digit 7 and also 9. Those are the possible exits. So can we go for this? Tutumie digit by the time ifike 8 point, no, tunatumia digit 2 kama entry point. So let's go for this. That is the last market. 100 index, market weka over, prediction 1 weka 2, prediction 2 weka 2 bado. Is it 2? Yeah. Prediction 2 weka 2, entry point weka digit 2 bado. So ni 2 on 100 index. What digit 2? So let's be fast on these. Okay, go from 3, 2 and 1. Nikisema run bot immediately. How do you alive and arrive? Okay, there are just a few conditions zenye unaweza elewa hata wewe. So let's go in 3, 2. Kama kwa YouTube manze, I believe that unajua kwa, si unaelewa? 3, 2 and 1 run. Kuna mtu anasema ni show screen. Nimeshare screen on YouTube jameni. There's no way utasema sija share screen. Okay. Guys, can we agree on something? Kila mtu learn ku trade. At least on a daily basis, make sure that unanitumia screenshot. Unaniambia, Kim, nimechukua trade moja na strategy yako over 2. Let's do that challenge. Tuone ni watu wangapi watafika. In fact, kama ujaingia hii market bwacha nayo, watu wa kusema unapata kazi Nairobi wame DM hapa kama kitu kingine. So kama kuna mtu ajaingia, avoid it because Digitro is trying to compete with 1, which might be tricky. Okay? Maybe sasa 1 is decrease, tuingie na 2. So, can we do this challenge on a daily basis? Kila mtu akuwa anatuma screenshot. At least umeanalyze market by yourself because nitawapea hizo PDF utakuwa kwa class. Unaona? Haya. Una share screenshot, unaniambia nimetengeneza $5 using this strategy. Can we do that challenge? Ama unatuma kwa group because kuna group, usini text hata, tuma kwa group. Utuambie, Kim, nimetengeneza this amount from this strategy. Nimegrow an account from this amount to this amount using the strategy that you gave. I think we can do that challenge. Ama unatuma hapo kwa group too. Sawa? So guys, I'd like to end this live at that point. I'm wishing everyone all the best. I believe that at least everyone ametoka na something in the account. So always make sure that you aim to trade by your own. At least una learn kujitradia. I think that is the best thing that you can ever do. Kulearn kujitradia. Na mambo itakuwa amazing. So eti class ni how much? Mimi nitakufunza for free. Shairo Muga. Just join our group. I'm not here to charge you for classes. Sasa nikikucharge nitasaidika na nini jameni? Kuna mtu anasema V10. V10. Hapana. 10.4 na 8.9 red bar. Tuacha nayo. We stop it at that point. Nilikuwa naona tukifanya exam canvas tunaambiwa kalamu chini. Mimi nimeweka kalamu na nimeweka kitabu chini. Nothing more is going to happen right now. So it's good we pause it at that point. Tupatane mabaadaye manzi, okay? Na wagering. Unasema nini hizo? Okay. So kama hujanifollow, usitoke kabla hujanifollow. Watu wangu wa YouTube, make sure that umesubscribe to our channel and I will really appreciate. Are we together? So situpatane kesho wakuu. Umenilenga kabisa boss. Anyway, so tupatane kesho watu wangu. The last one to share. Okay, we stop it at that point. Let's not overdo. Okay? Na kama hujasubscribe na kwa YouTube, make sure that you do. Then tutapatana tena kesho from 10:30 am. But sasa hapa katikati utapata signals kwa group. We are not stopping to trade. So utapata signals, utapata Google Meet. Unajua kwa Google Meet after mna trade tu, mna analyze then mna trade. Hivyo, that is what we usually do. So don't miss out. Anyway, all the best guys. Tupatane from naweza join hizo groups. So we're going to interact over there. Mambo itakuwa amazing. So my name is Analyst Kim. If you're seeing me for the first time, this is the undisputed king of digits, okay? Now, I have some good experience that I can train you, and that's why I'm here, okay? So just make sure that you follow my strategy. That is the only strategy that you need to become profitable. Wachana hizo strategies zingine, maybe they might confuse you. They might be very hard to and straightforward. For you to become profitable, you need a stream, you need risk management, you need a good capital, then pia ukuwe na discipline in the market. Are we together? Si tupatane kesho wakuu, but in the meantime, hapa katikati kama kwa group utaenjoy kutrade because tutakuwa pale, tunawapea signals, tunawekea Google Meet, and you're going to really learn a lot. Anyway,